Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, people, the weekend has made it. Time to relax, hang out with family and friends. And if you're going to go out and party like it's 1999, please just make sure you stay safe. All right, you all. We got a new developer on the channel, not new to the game, just new to the channel. We have not reviewed his product before, not that I can remember, but listen, I seen this watch face, I had to have it. I thought it was super slick, and I thought you just might like it too. Now, the name of the developer who created this watch face goes by the name of Simple Gear Watchfaces. The name of the watch face is called Simple Gear SG17. Now you're going to get a nice look in the AOD mode for the Gear S2 and the Gear S3. Not bad at all when it's in the AOD mode. But when the watch face is on, I love the look of this analog watch face. Very stylish, very nice. The design and the layout, it's pretty slick. And it's not bad. And you do get the best of both worlds because you're going to get a digital time right here with a PM stamp. And you get seconds as well. Now up at the top, you will get your heart rate information on floors climbed as well. Over here, you'll get your step info, miles walked or ran right up under it, and you'll get your date as well. Now, the watch face is interactive, so if I tap on my heart rate information, I can go deeper into getting more status. Same thing on your date, you'll be able to get, well, your time, you'll be able to get your set an alarm. And down at the bottom, of course, you can bring up your calendar, you can set an event, and you can get more of your step status info too if you're seeking it. Not bad at all. Offers some conveniences, right? And up at the top, that red meter represents your battery info. Now down at the bottom, that's going to represent your step goal completed. If you haven't set a step goal, set a step goal. It's okay to challenge yourself. Not bad at all, right? So I'm loving the look. Again, the design is not bad for an analog watch face. Now, I can also customize the theme of the watch face by double tapping in the center. And I thought this one was definitely super slick. What do you think, people? Me, I'm going to give the developer 2 thumbs up because I thought he did a great job so far as the design is concerned for an analog watch face. Not bad. But again, at the end of the day, people, it is up to you. Now, if you have not checked out this guy's lineup, he does awesome work on watch faces. I say give him a try. And with that, if you like the video, then hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, people, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.